beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Paulette and I upload videos weekly about beauty, skincare, unboxing, and beauty tips. So today I want to talk to you about cleaning our brushes. So if you saw part 1 on how I clean my beauty sponge, and you're probably here for part 2, which is the brushes. But if you haven't seen how I clean my beauty sponges, then click over here on the link and go ahead and watch that, because you are going to be learning how to clean your beauty tools. They've done so much for us. It's time for us to do something for them. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and you really want to do this about, I don't know, weekly. Depends on how much you use your makeup, but this will help your, I don't know, like there's a lot of product you don't want, especially for the eyeshadow. Like say you feel like blue one day and then you feel pink the next day. You really don't want your eyeshadow palettes to be all kinds of different, products. So you want to make sure you maintain them and you clean them. And not only that, the cleaning is good for your skin. And so if you are noticing like breakouts, maybe it's time to do some cleaning. So yes, and how I do it is using the Eco Tools shampoo, makeup brush shampoo, and I've been using it for about, I don't know, roughly like 2 years, and I do like it. And I've tried a couple of DIYs, but no, it ain't working for me. So ever since I purchased this, I've been loving it. And so I thought, hey, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Maybe you're gonna try it, maybe you're gonna like it, maybe you're gonna like, whoa, be mind blown. So let's get to it and I'll show you how I clean my brushes. And I'm going to be using this little guy to help with the brushes, and I found this very inexpensive at eBay. I'm pretty sure you can find it at Amazon, and if not, also like Sephora and Ulta. But I'm using this little guy to help out, and some water. Okay, so I'm going to begin by closing the faucet, filling my sink with water, some warm water. And then I'm just gonna put a couple of drops of the Eco Tools, and then I'm just gonna start the process. So I'm gonna twirl it, and I'm gonna be using this little guy. So I like to begin with the brushes that have the lightest product, like the highlighter brush. Not necessarily with the foundation one or the blush one. I leave those towards the end.
1, 2.
Pretty clean. this point, I am just rinsing and just reshaping the brush. So first we just shampooed it and we took out the excess product, and now we are rinsing them and reshaping them.
From the top, let's go.
So I'm just laying them on the towel so that they can dry overnight. And this is how I do it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And I hope this has been very helpful for you. If you don't know how to clean your brush or been wondering of a different method, this is my method, and hopefully it has been helpful for you. So till next time.